What's been really special about my journey with Fresenius Medical Care is the opportunity to build and expand my career within the organization.
Knowing that our work helps improve lives, it gives real meaning to what we do every day. It is not just about doing a job, it's about being part of something that truly matters.
I have the privilege of working alongside some exceptional individuals who consistently and proactively make sure our patients have the education, resources, and support they need throughout their dialysis journey. I learn from them every day. They push me to be better than I was yesterday, and my RVP does the same.
I feel like just working together as a team with the other collaborative professionals have really added to my skill set and given me more of a better knowledge on how to meet our patient needs and something that I can use in my professional growth and my career as I go forward.
I've always worked with good teams, felt I had good support, and I've been rewarded for good work and given new opportunities. And that's always been something that has made me feel comfortable here and like I can grow and continue to develop moving forward.
The encouragement and trust from my managers and colleagues have given me the confidence to take ownership of my work, take on bigger responsibilities, and continue developing both professionally and personally.
There's been a lot of training on dialysis equipment, water systems, and policies and procedures that has helped me grow into the current role as a Biomed 3. Having access to that knowledge and experience has really helped me build a long-term career in dialysis of over 19 years.
Over time, I've stepped into greater responsibility and now focus on developing tools and resources that support both care teams and patients. It's been a meaningful journey. I didn't just find a job here. I built a career that I'm really proud of.